Hi guys!
This is my Mima.
And this is my Arella. Madilim dun sa part Arella, may nakasabit kasi rin sa ilaw.
Kasi may lobo.
Kasi po may balloon, yes. Yeah, for today's kwentuhan, I have a question for Arella so we can check how smart she is. Sabi niya kasi, I asked her the hard question. Sige, here's the question. What is the best way to handle a mean person?
A mean person?
What's a mean person? What's a mean person?
Hindi
For example na lang mga mean kids. Kids na lang. Kasi yun naman yung lagi mong nakakasama yan. How do you handle a mean kid?
So, when you see
Oh, what do you mean by mean ba?
mean is or like rude, you can say it like they're not kind, they always bully you. So, the
Yeah.
way to handle is so when you look at them, they say, "Hello, ugly banana," and you say, "Hello, ugly and not pretty watermelon."
Wala akong naintindihan
Yan! Parang matigil na yun. Tingnan mo.
Wala akong naintindihan sa sagot mo.
Tingnan mo, gago.
Hindi, seriously, yung maayos na sagot. Siyempre, kung halimbawa there's a mean kid, siyempre
Kunyari,
wag, ang hirap sabihin,
kunyari ko yung mean
Don't-
kid.
don't be a mean girl too. Wag mo siyang gagayahin.
Kunyari
So, how do you handle it? What will you do?
Kunyari ka yung mean kid.
O kaya, kunyari,
You want to be friends?
I don't like you. Mag-acting daw kami.
Ayasin mo!
Kunyari ako yung mean girl. I don't like you. Your clothes are so dirty. Oh, anong gagawin mo?
Okay. You are so annoying. And I'm gonna say it to your dad. And you have time out for 30 minutes.
Paparusahan mo yung mean girl? O parang tingin ko hindi tama. Baka hindi maging ano yun, hindi maging effective yun. Kung papapunish mo yung mean girl, what else? What will you say again? Or what will you do pa? Aside from punishing her.
Kunyari mean girl ka.
Yeah.
Hi, want to be friends?
I don't want you. Your hair is not nice. I want to be friends with others, not you.
Okay, then if you don't want to be friends with me, I have a lot of nice clothes, and I'm gonna say to you, Daddy, ee wah 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 wah.
So, ibig sabihin ni Rela, susumbong niya na lang sa parents.
And I
Well, that's the right thing to do.
And I will say,
Teka lang ha.
sabi,
For-
ako muna.
Ako na muna. For example, may mamimit kang mga, syempre mag-new school year, di ba? May mamimit kang mga mean classmates. Tama yun.
Ito
Just
na nga,
tell them to to teacher na lang, not to their parents.
Ito.
Pag nasa school ka, you just tell it to teachers, okay?
Ito naman sasabihin ko. I have a lot of candy for greedy people. They are not gonna have trick or treat.
Oh, basta yun yung gagawin mo, ha?
I say I have a lot of candy.
Yun lang gagawin mo. Susumbong mo na lang kay teacher, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. God bless.